Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and this one is very special because I will show you a secret strategy that I personally use with my silver bullet indicator. It is a Judas swing with a confirmation of my indicator, and it works perfectly. It is a fully mechanical and it has an 80% win rate. I will show you that when we back as the live example. I'm that confident. Also join my Discord with the link below, follow me on Twitter, subscribe to my YouTube channel, do every single thing, and let's go into the video. Before we dive into that video, I want to give special thanks to the Clover Traders for sponsoring this video. Clover Traders is a newly established prop firm with awesome growing social media community, getting new traders from all around the world. Let me tell you a little bit more about them. They have really good trading conditions such as 8% and 5% profit targets, 1 to 100 leverage, and 5 minimum trading days. Yes, you heard it right, 1 to 100 maximum leverage. Traders can manage up to 400,000 in capital and scale it up to 2 million. Spreads are as low as 0.1 pips and commissions is $5 per lot. This is really good because having the spread so low can increase your chances of passing the challenge. The evaluation fee that you pay when you buy the challenge is fully refundable when you become a Clover Traders funded trader. They also allow trading cryptocurrencies during the weekends and holding the trade overnight, and as well as during the weekends as well. Profit splits at 85%. This is really good, guys. We're also hosting a giveaway with them in our Discord server, so join with the link in the description below. All you need to do is just react to the message in the Discord, join the Discord, invite free friends to their server, and register to their platform. It's 100% free to enter, so try your luck. There are 5 lucky winners, so maybe you're one of them. Okay, now let's really dive into the video. So first you need 2 indicators. Now one is essential and the other one is only if you want to save your time. So the first one is a silver bullet indicator by me. To get it, you have to go down into the description, click the link, and when you're in the Discord, you have to find the how the silver bullet indicator category, click the channel below, click the link, and then add it to your favorite. And when you do this, come back to the trading view, click indicators, and your indicator should here. It says silver bullet indicator by Zekkr. So you click it, and then if you want to save your time, this is not needed, but I recommend this FX Market Sessions by Botoki. So you click this, and now you have to edit the inputs and styles. So first you're gonna edit my indicator. You have to untick the 2 sessions, and then the start hour is basically 1, and then end hour is 5 because we're trading the London kill zone. And then the style, I usually keep this as default because I'm using the white and black color chart, and that background color I use red, and I use 10%. And then for market sessions, I go to the inputs, untick all 3 sessions, and I also take labels and name. I change the time zone, and then we also need the Asian range, which is from 8 p.m., which is 20, to midnight, New York local time. Just change the colors. I usually use this. It doesn't matter. What this strategy is basically anticipating a Judas swing with the confirmation of my indicator. You will be trading and executing the trades on the 1-minute time frame, and this also works for S&P, Nasdaq, EU, GU, and AU, basically are the majors. So what you want to see is after 1, you're gonna look for Judas swing below or above the Asian session high. So right here, this is the example, right? This is the example I'm showing you, so listen carefully. We sweep the lows, those are equal lows, which is additional confirmation, and then what you're looking for is a green candle to the upside if we sweep the lows, and red candle to the downside if we sweep the highs. And there's also a additional rule that the lag that this candle is inside has to break some kind of a short-term high. So we break this short-term high, and we also break this short-term high. So we got a break of structure valid, and then after we see a green candle, we want to set a limit order at the fair value gap that was formed by that green candle. So as you can see, it's this one. We got first candle, third candle, and this candle ran up, and there's a gap, and it's also a painted candle, so we use this fair value gap. So what do? We place our entry right there, and then we put the stop loss right below this low, and then target 1 to 2. Now you also have to place your stop loss just below for the spread, but this the RR will still be 1 to 2, and then you extend it, and let's see if we hit take profit. We miss it here, but then we hit it here. And for short, it's basically the same. We have to sweep the highs, we have to see a red candle breaking a structure, we have to enter from that fair value gap formed by the red candle, stop loss above the high, target 1 to 2 always. Okay, you can also target the Asian highs if that is your rule, but you can also target the 1 to 2. Target is on you. And now once you know the rules, let's go to the live examples right now. Okay, so during the live back testing, I will not be cutting the video, so you guys see it's real. And now I'll just squeeze the price up so I can really know what's going on when I am going back to a random place. And we're gonna squeeze the price up like this. It's basically I land right now, and I will be just scrolling back and stop at a random place, right? Like I can literally see anything, right? So I think this is the end of data, and I will have to go again. So I will just stop here, right? So I didn't set this up. This is literally random, and now I have to this. I have to go back right here. Okay, so perfect, nice. So this is the 5th of July, and we have to go to the 6th because this day already played out. Now, this strategy, as I said, we use the Asian range, as you can see right here, and then we trade our silver bullet indicator as the Judah swing. So we go to 1 minute right now, and this is where we traded. So we wait for the session to load. Okay, so this is the range. This is the range high, and this is the range low, and we wait for one of these to be swept. Okay, perfect. Okay, so we sweep it, but there's still no 1 a.m. to 5 a.m. session, so we wait. Okay, now you're waiting for the red candle to be in a leg that breaks structure. So as you can see, we got a candle right here. We got a fair value gap. We broke this short-term low, and now we can enter from this fair value gap because either you can take the entry from this one because it's created by this candle, or you can use the one in premium, right? I will just use this one because it's more objective, but you can use whatever you want. We place our stop loss just above the high that was formed to cover spreads, and then target 1 to 2 is set in the previous example. We get tapped in, and now let's see how it will play out, and this is a win. Now I'm gonna go to a 5-minute, so we play out to another day. So this is the day 1. So it was a win. So we're now currently 2 are in profit, hypothetically, if we were trading, right? So we have to, I'm going to go to a 15 minutes so it plays faster, but we have to go to another day. Now, as I said, I'm not cutting the video. It may be boring because it's not edited, but this is just to show you guys, to prove you guys that this strategy actually works. Okay, so we're inside the session. We got our silver bullet right here indicator, and then session high, session low. So now we wait for one of those to be swept, and then we're gonna anticipate a move in the other direction. So we have to sweep it till 5 o'clock, right? And our entry has to be in during 5 o'clock, before 5 o'clock as well. I apologize. So we now wait for a white candle. As you can see right here, we got a white candle right here. Do we break a short-term high? We do, because we got a lower high right here and lower high right here, and this is the short-term high. We got a fair value gap. There's only one, so it doesn't matter how you trade it. Entry right here at the top. We covered the low. Stop loss just below it to cover the spreads, and let's see. 1 to 2, and this is a loss. So we got another confirmation. So as you can see, this strategy is not 100%. That's what I'm telling you, right? It's not 100%, but it works. Okay, so we wait. This candle didn't break any structures, and we swap liquidity. So we wait for a new candle to form, and as you can see, we got this candle. I'm sorry, I'm playing the price too fast. I'm sorry. So we got this candle. We got a fair value gap. We broke structure, a short-term high right there, and we can take entry from this one right here. And this is valid because we swept liquidity again, so this is valid. Place stop loss below the low, just below the low for spreads, and then target 1 to 2. And let's see how this will play out. Okay, we get tagged in, a little bit of drawdown, we continue up. Now this is close to the Asian session high, but we will see how this plays out. So you could also target that, which would give you a little bit higher RR. So we are close to the TP, and let's see what happens. Okay, we hit a TP. So currently, this are 2 days. We have one win, one loss, and one win. So these are 2 wins and 1 loss. Okay, let's go to the other day. I'm gonna go to the 15-minute time frame, and let's see. Now I didn't set this up. As you can see, there are losses, but the wins, the majority of them are wins, and the RR is also based in your favor. So we already sweep the low, and the session is gonna start very soon. So we are gonna be looking for a white candle or bullish candle to the upside, painted by indicator right away. As you can see, we have an indicator painting the candle. It's also inside a leg that broke a short-term high right here, and then we have a fair value gap right here. So we'll place our limit order right here. Stop loss is gonna be just below this low, and then we target 1 to 2 RR, and let's see what happens. So we move up, and we are still using the original one, the first one that forms, and this is also very away from this, but we have to use this one. And if you're using premium and discount, price goes up here, you would also have to use this fair value gap. So this would be the entry for both of you traders. Okay, so we tap multiple times into this, we're going up, and let's see if we can take profit. We do. And this is, guys, this is right now 3 days, 1 win, 2 wins, 3 wins, and 1 loss. So if you risk 1 R, which you did, you would make 5 R in 3 days. Now this is amazing. Let's go to the 1 more day. I actually wanted to do only 3 examples, but let's do 4, because to actually show you and prove to you guys that I'm actually amazed, guys, and this actually works. So let's go to another day. As you can see, these are the days that we traded. Now there are gonna be losses, as you can see right here, but don't worry, this actually works. Now you can backtest it. It may not work for everyone, guys. Know that it may not work for everyone like every other strategy, but it works for me. And if you put the work into it and literally learn and study even the other ICT concepts, I promise you will be profitable one day. I'm not saying right away, but one day. Now we engineered a lot of liquidity right here, multiple equal lows, so this is additional confirmation. And now we look for our white candle in the leg that broke structure, and then we'll entry from a fair value gap. So let's see. Okay, so there's a white candle. Do we break a short-term high? Not yet. Let's see. We break a short-term high. Now, which fair value gap to use? Now, I will use this one because this meets our rules. It is created by the lag, and also if you use the premium and discount from this low to this high, you should also use this one. So we place our limit order right here. Stop loss is just below the low, and target 1 to 2. Now, if you come to this part of the video, if you come to this part of the video, make sure to subscribe and like it, and turn on notifications. So we are getting to the end of this session. I think we missed that trade. Yes, we did. Okay, so we missed that trade. Again, we didn't get triggered. Now, you could maybe take the entry on this candle, but again, this is a very long distance from here to here. Now, it's not really that long. It's 5 handles, but still, the Asian range is right here. So your TP would be above your Asian range, which is kind of risky, but you already had this long-term or intermediate term high right here. It's basically intermediate because if you go to 15 minutes, yeah, you can see this would be a long-term high, and then this would be your drawn liquidity. So you would be good entering from this candle, but in this case we missed the trade. So we're gonna end the live back testing here. It may be a little long, but I believe it helped you guys. So we got, let's summarize. We got 1 win with 1 to 2. We got 1 loss. We got 1 win. We got 1 win, and we missed 1 trade. So this is 4 days. You made 5 R. Now, if this isn't amazing, I don't know what it is. It's a profitable strategy, rules-based and mechanical, that has an edge and makes money over time. If you enjoyed the video, click the like button, subscribe, and join my Discord to get an indicator. And yeah, basically stay safe and see you at the next one. Good luck.